Welcome fans to this unboxing from the Spin Master Monster Jam Series 34 of CRUSHSTATION. On the back of the card, we have CRUSHSTATION, the name of the truck. Then look at this. This is an air card. It says Danger Divas. Let me bring it up a little closer and check that out. They made an air on the card. It should be Arena Favorites. The other trucks in the series of 34 is Gravedigger, the 25th Anniversary Edition, Kraken, Maximum Destruction, Pirate's Curse, Blue Thunder, Lucas Stabilizer, Megalodon, Soldier Fortune. So let's go ahead and unbox CRUSHSTATION. Onto the truck now. It has red wheels, black tires, a black roll cage, and then a red chassis. And of course, the driver is part of the chassis, so he is red also. And then let's go ahead. CRUSHSTATION on the side, and the Monster Jam logo. In the front, then on the claws, it says McLaughlin Seafood. And then there's the eyes of the lobster, I believe. And then here's the other side of CRUSHSTATION. And then down, right there, on the back of the lobster, it says Monster Lobster. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly. But the reason why I got this version of CRUSHSTATION from Series 34 was because in 2019, he came in a double pack with Big Kahuna, and I can't find my red version of CRUSHSTATION, so hopefully I'll find it. But that is the red version. The two other versions I have of CRUSHSTATION is the blue version, I would like just to show you, and then the raw version of CRUSHSTATION. So those are the three CRUSHSTATIONs that I have. So hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing of CRUSHSTATION. Thank you for tuning in.